the ball, baby? Here. Here's the ball. Come on. Come. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, why you didn't get it? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby. Cleo. Patra. Come, baby. Auntie is not yet coming. Where's the bobo? You need to play. Are you tired now? Are you tired, baby? Cleo. Patra. You're tired now? Where are you going? Where are you going? Baby. Cleo, you bring the ball here, baby. Cleo, come on. Bring the ball here. Come on. Yeah, that's good, baby. You're so smart. Who's smart? Cleo, don't bring inside your room. You need to play here outside. Yeah, okay. You drink water. Drink water, baby. Come on, drink water. Cleo, drink water. Drink water, baby. Drink water. Come on. Come on, drink water. Oh, look at Patra. Is playing. Come on. Come on, baby. Drink water. Why you bring the boulder inside your room? You want to play there? Look at these two baby. Two cute baby. They're playing. Cleo, you need to share to Patra, Cleo. Cleo, need to share to Patra. Yeah, come on. Need to share to Cleo and Patra. Cleo, share to Patra, please. It's Patra now playing. Oh, so kind, Cleo. You're so kind, Cleo. Are you tired now, Cleo? Doesn't like to play? Look at Patra. It's playing the ball. Come on, Patra. Come on, baby. Oh, where's the ball now? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Go and get the ball. Come on. Go down. Jump. Come on. Pagod na sila. Pagod na ang mga baby namin kasi kanina pa kasi naglaro yan. Yan. So, you want to sleep now, baby? You want to sleep now? Auntie's coming soon. You want to sleep now, baby? Baby. Patra. Where's Patra? Where is Cleo? Cleo is tired. Oh, are you tired now, baby? You want to sleep? Oh, look at our two puppies. Name is Cleo and Patra. Look at. So cute. The name of our dog is Cleo and Patra. Hello, Patra. Are you sleepy now, baby? Oh, sleepy now, baby. Do you like to sleep now? Look at the two baby. They're so tired to play the ball. Right, baby? Are you so tired to play the ball, baby? Oh, look at so cute. Like to sleep. Okay, you can sleep now, baby, before Auntie's coming. Yeah, look at. So cute. Our two puppy. Two cute puppy. They're so tired now. They're sleeping. Yeah, look at the two baby. Okay, you can sleep na, baby, now. Yeah, you can sleep now. Yeah, and I'm going now, baby. Yeah, I'm going now. Bye-bye. So, cute talaga yung mga alaga namin. So, ang ano po ng ano nito ay teacup poodle. Sila po ay teacup poodle na hindi na po sila lalaki. Ay ganyan na lang po sila kalaki. Yan. Ang tawag po sa kanila ay teacup poodle. Yan. Mega live shoutout po sa inyo. Please like, subscribe po si Kuya Bal Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlog at Kalingap Rob and all under po ng Kalingap. At pakisubscribe na rin po si Kalingap Marie Pineda, Rosebuzz Official, ang aming pong group Ishikawa Suzuki, si Mami A TV, si Marilyn Kunanan, sino pa ba yung mga nasa group natin? At yung marami po kami, bali marami po kami sa aming, si Ann Ramirez Sinor, si Jane Kasakiti, yan po ang mga group namin, si Fee, ewan ko kung ano po yung channel niya, si Fee, si Che. So, kailangan ko po talaga ilista at ang aming president po at ako po na si Christy Fermosilio sa Kalingap Hong Kong Solid Supporters Worldwide Hong Kong Chapter. Kalingap Solid Supporters Hong Kong Worldwide Chapter. Yan. Bumaba na yung isa. Patra, you can sleep in your bed while you are go down. Baby, while you are going down, you can sleep to your... Yan. At marami pa po kami na yung mga groups. So, kailangan ko po talaga ilista para po ay ma-shoutout ko po sila at ma-ano. And then, please like, share, and subscribe din po si Tito Manny Vlog. Hello po, si Rom Aboy as Team Kalingap, Team Kabalikat. Yan, si ano po, sino pa ba? Si MG Channel, MSG Channel. Sino pa po ba yung nasa ano namin, group? Si Rosebuzz Official, please like, share, subscribe din po. Si Dang Mundo Vlog, si Tito Manny Vlog, and sino pa? Sa Team Kabalikat. Si Rom Aboy po, nabigkas ko na rin po siya. At sino pa po ba yung nandoon? So, hindi ko po sa ulo lahat. So, and then, please press bell the button po para updated po kayo sa aming mga videos. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. Bye!